How to use Google Drive on a PC or laptop. So, who doesn't know Google Drive? Application made by the company Google for users to save their files has long been known. Apart from being available on computers or laptops, Google Drive is expanding its branches for smartphone users as well. Users can sync files from both their laptops or Android smartphones. With this, users can still access their files without any hassle from various devices. Choose how to use Google Drive from a PC or laptop. So here it is. The first thing is we open the Google Chrome browser. Then we just type download Google Drive. For a PC. Just click and yes, then we select the one that downloaded Google Drive. You can see here the second line here below. And this is it. Then we can say here open the drive or download. All we have to do is waiting for the download to finish. Let's just skip the download process. Now after downloading, we open the file, then we select install. The process is still in progress. Then after it is successfully installed, we will be directed to sign in with browser and told to enter using our email. Select sign in with browser. We enter our Google email here, then enter the password too. After successfully signing in the email and successful. Okay, successful. Then if it is successfully installed and successfully logged in, then a folder icon will appear at the bottom right. You can see this show hidden notification Google Drive. Now it has a small Google logo right in the lower right corner. We try to open it. Okay, now I've entered Google Drive, successfully logged in using my email. Here are the activity and notification tools. It's still empty, right? Yes, my activity is empty. Notification is also empty. So in the settings menu, you can see here in the settings, let's try to click help. And this help center is about informations or tutorials too. If you experience problems or need information that we do not know about, we can click on this help center. Use Google Drive for desktop, at home, work, or school. The download for desktop is also available here. This for desktop is available here. Because I've already downloaded it, let's just cancel it. Then here there is also a preference menu, offline files, error list, pause syncing. This is synchronization. This is used if you want to stop the synchronization process. All we have to do is click on this synchronization, because if not, Google Drive will automatically update each file or each the updated uploads will that will automatically synchronize, updated on the Google Drive. This will automatically synchronize. Okay, we try to open the Google Drive settings. And after we open the preferences menu, we are here. We can set where we will store Google Drive files on our PC, or in folder G or C or wherever. We will select settings in the upper right corner here, and Google Drive streaming location, and I'll store it or save the folder G on my computer or laptops. You can see the Google Drive streaming location. You can also select real-time presence in Microsoft Office. We want to mark this type of setting or not. It depends on you. So you can also save the Google Drive folder based on your needs. So you can see on your screen here. So we will try to see on our laptop. I'll open folder G. The name is Google Drive. You can see on this PC there's Google Drive G folder, and on this part you will see many files of my Google Drive that have been synchronized with my laptop, so that if I want to put files on a Google Drive, on this Google Drive, the file will automatically be synchronized. So then we will try to open one of folders I have on my Google Drive. It is synchronized on my laptop. We will try to open the folder, declutter menu here. It's also a folder. We will open it, and there are all files here that have been synchronized with my laptops or computers. So I think that's how to use Google Drive on laptop or PC. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon on the next video. Bye.